Students, in this video we are discussing precautions of expenditure method, precautions of output method, precautions of income method. We have already discussed in the previous videos. Here we are discussing about precautions of expenditure method. Precautions. In precautions I already discussed in the previous videos. Precaution means what items to be included and what items not to be included. We'll have to focus on. Please, here there are some items which are not included in national income when we match national through expenditure method. There are some items which are to be included through the expenditure method when we are measuring national income. So, take the first one is expenditure on intermediate goods. When I discussed in the previous video of output method, then I said intermediate goods are not included. There I said we will connect this item in expenditure method also, so you connect yourself, reconnect yourself with that video, with that concept. Expenditure on intermediate goods are not included because we take always final expenditure. The value of final goods and services are taken. So expenditure on final goods are taken. So will not take intermediate goods expenditure or intermediate expenditure. Same concepts are given in output. When we do, we don't include intermediate goods in case of production, and when we do expenditure method, we don't take expenditure intermediate goods. The concept is same. We'll have to see the from different point of view. There we are taking things from output point of view. Here we are discussing the things from expenditure point of view. The concepts are same. Intermediate expenditure means what? If you are producing coffee, you are making a coffee, you will not take the value of tea, value of milk, sugar, coffee powder, like that. You will take only the value of final. You will take the expenditure of only coffee. If you are producing a pen, you will not take the value of like refill or ink or something else. That's the concept of intermediate expenditure. Second item is transfer payments. Transfer payments are not included. In income method we did that in transfer income is not included, but factor income is included. The same here, transfer payments are not included because once whose income comes from transfer, the second one it will be the expenditure. If transfer income is not included, same way transfer payments will also be not included. So transfer payments like that, suppose scholarship, old age pension given by government, or pocket money given by elders to us, that is not included. This is also, this item is also given in income method. You have to reconnect only. We are not studying the new items, but we are repeating the earlier items in different way, in a different form. Now purchase of second hand goods, we have already done in the output method also. Purchase of second hand goods means expenditure on second hand goods, that will not be included because we take only the first hand goods. First hand goods means because their value is included in national income, and second hand goods value is not, because that is not the real production in the economy, that is transfer from one person to another person only. So that is not going to contribute to GDP directly. Next one is purchase of financial assets. Purchase of financial assets means what? This item we have already done in income method also, means share, bonds and debentures. That's same here. Expenditure on shares, bonds, debenture, these are not included, but commission on that will be included, brokerage on that will be included. Purchase of second hand goods, suppose second hand car, that will not be included. Second hand bike, laptop will not include. Transfer payments like old age pension, pocket money, We have already done in output method. Production for self-consumption. We include a national income. Second, production for or owner occupied house will be included. Rent of owner occupied means imputed value of owner occupied house. This is the case of imputed value. Imputed value of owner occupied house, that will be included, because we have already discussed there in detail. Means if either you have your own house, you also can earn the rent from that, or if someone's take a house on rent, he will pay. So if that rent can be included, so this rent will also be included. This is what owner occupied house, and we call it imputed value. Imputed value means market value of a product, of a service. Clear? But production for self consumption, that will be included, but services are not included, like kitchen, garden, and all these, because there we cannot measure, there we cannot estimate the value of these items. Here we can do. Now once again in brief, expenditure on intermediate goods, that will not be included. Transfer payments like old age pension, pocket money, scholarship, that will not be included. Purchase of second hand goods, that will not be included, like second hand car, bike, laptop, or sometimes ones buy books also, that will not be included, because that has been only first hand included, that will be double counting kind of. Purchase of financial assets, that is not the true contribution to the economy, that is not contributing to the real GDP, so that will not also be included. Next one is which are the items to be included. Expenditure of on account production means what? Production for self consumption or owner occupied house, these items will be included. And one more, commission on purchase and sale of shares, bonds, these will be included. We call it brokerage. Brokerage will be included. So these are the items which are included and not included in form of precaution of expenditure method. This is very important method, and you may be asked two types. You may be given directly either the precautions, like write down 3 precautions or 4 precautions of expenditure method, income method, expenditure method, or second, maybe you are given like statements. Suppose scholarship is included or not. So will they mention that will not be included, because that is only the transfer payments, like that. And second hand goods will not be included, because that is not contributing to the economy. Only first hand goods are included in the accounting year. So in this way you will have to explain the statement with the reason. Keep in mind one thing, if you are not giving any reason, there is no marks. CBSE clearly mention no reason, no marks, because you must know the concept. Doesn't mean that just you copy or you in general say yes or no, that's not the final answer. So this is our expenditure method. In the last videos we have already discussed all the 3 methods: output, income, and expenditure, all the 3 precautions of these methods, and numericals of output method and income method. Now we'll do numericals of expenditure method in the next videos. So please go through these videos and just watch these videos, note down the basic points, go through the books, and note down the doubts if you have any, and do the numericals. And in the first video I already told you how many numericals are there. If you do 15 to 20 numericals a day, you can finish all the numericals of third and fourth chapter in only 10 days, and you are able to do each and every questions. So please students, focus on these videos, read the books properly, and do the exercises, and note down, and please you can have a screenshot of this one. Students, there are some items which to be included, so we are also explaining these in detail. Payment of bus fare by households or examination fees by students, these are included in national income. How? From the expenditure method point of view, if we see, then this is what private final consumption expenditure. This is what private final consumption expenditure. This is a component of private final consumption expenditure. So we know that when we estimate GDP from expenditure method, then there are four items: private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure, gross domestic capital formation, and net exports are the component of GDP. So this is what private final consumption expenditure. This is included. Next item is profits earned by an Indian company from its branches abroad. This is the component of factory income from abroad. We know that when we get national income from GDP, we add NFIA, net factory income from abroad. There are two components of that. One is factory income from abroad, and the second item is factory income to abroad. So factory income from abroad is added and factory income to abroad is subtracted. So this is what Indian companies are earning from rest of the world. So factored income from abroad will be included in national income. This is the reason this item will be included in national income, because this is the component of NFIA, net factored income from abroad. Please keep in mind, only from abroad will be added, from to abroad will not be added. Means factor income from abroad will be included, factor income to abroad will not be included. Please, not to be included. Now, free dispensary and education by government. What is this? This is the component of government final consumption expenditure, and I have already told private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross domestic capital formation plus net exports. These are the items of GDP, and we can get national income from GDP. So these are included. We will have to check these are the items from GDP or not. One except this one. This is the component NFI. So this is what free dispensary, education, health, and other things which are provided by government. That is the component of government final consumption expenditure. Government final consumption expenditure. This is what component of this one. So this will also be included in national income. One more, expenditure earned by foreign tourists in India or foreign tourists in country. Suppose we are talking about India, then there are two ways to know exports. Either we are selling something to the rest of the world, that is export for us, or any foreigner, any foreign tourist come to India and making any expenditure, incurring any expenditure, that is also the export for us. So expenditure incurred by foreign tourists in the country, suppose in case of India, then it will also be included, because that is the component of net exports. Net export means exports minus import. So exports will be included and import will be excluded. So next, one more item, interest on loan paid by commercial banks. When commercial banks takes the loan or takes the deposit from the household or some other firms, then interest paid by commercial bank, that is taken for productive purposes. And in the previous videos we have already discussed, when interest paid by any commercial bank or any firm for productive purposes, then that will be included. So when commercial bank takes the loan or takes the deposit of individual and that gives loan, that loan is taken for productive purposes. So it will be included. To reconnect you with the last case, if interest paid by household or government, that will not be included, but if interest paid by any firm or any commercial bank that will be included in national income. So please in brief once again, payment of bus fare by households or examination fees by students, that will be included because that is the part of final consumption expenditure. Profits earned by an Indian company from its branch, that is the part of component of NFIA. Free dispensary education by government, that is the part of private government final consumption expenditure. And expenditure earned by foreign tourist in country, that is the component of net exports, so that will be also included. And interest on loan paid by commercial banks, that will also be included because commercial banks take loan for productive purposes. Okay guys, please you can take the screenshot of this one and you will revise, and you may be asked directly the precautions, or you may be asked the directly statements, and you will have to give the reason with that. You will have to support your answer, you will have to give reasons. Okay, thank you so much.